Now we will go on to one more feature, which is dynamic target mode. Let's say we want to see only years in rows and see their volume, and we get this data here: dynamic target off, dynamic target on. This is the button which activates it. By default it's activated. We have many options here: auto fit columns to label, which it will auto fit it to this label here. We can fit it to grid. We can also copy values to clipboard like this, and we get the same thing we had there. We also can select all checkboxes and select them. And now, how does this work? Well, it remembers what we put into rows, columns, and target, and remembers the calculation. And now we add filters here. I want to see everything that's greater than 40,000. So it's year 2015, 16, and 17. If I want to see everything below 50,000, I will get only 2015 and 2016. This filter here is remembered. And now when I click save this as dynamic target, it will be years over 50,000 volume. Yep. And we can save it. What has this done? So why is this dynamic? Because we have filters, and each time we want to use our variable we created, it will run this again. And if we get year 2019, 2020, and they get volume larger than 50,000, then they will fit into that variable. And let's show how this actually works. Why exactly we created it. So we have some dynamic variables here. The one we created right now is this. Once we put it into target, you see our universe changed into 60%. And let's see in rows what passed. So we see we get 2015 and 2016. Why? Because this here has done a whole other calculation, calculated its volume, applied a filter which was above 50,000, and then it gets the rows we had earlier on, which were years, and he remembered that he now calculated that year 2015 and 2016 have passed the conditions we added. And once we put it into target here and want to see the rows which passed, years that passed, we get the values here. Of course, if we had some operations applied, they also are remembered. So the next time, the first time top 5 were selected, the next time maybe the new ones will be selected as top 5. And that's the basic usage of our dynamic variable. As we see it useful, we can also put it into rows, this. And to see that it works, we can press run, and we get the results for it here.